Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a long or short position on Pionex using the Futures Grid bot, which is perfect for automated trading in the crypto futures market. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Pionex app installed. Log in and tap Bot in the bottom menu, then select Create, Futures, and choose the Futures Grid option. Once you're in the Futures Grid section, pick your preferred trading pair. You'll see 3 AI strategy options: long, short, and neutral. Select the grid type you want and tap Copy Bot to use the recommended AI strategy. If you want more control, you can also choose Customize to set up your own grid parameters, adjust leverage, and create your grid manually. Next, enter your investment amount and click Create, then Confirm. Your bot will now start trading according to the strategy you selected. To monitor your profits, simply go to the bot page in the app. You can view detailed information for all your futures grid orders, including open positions and realized profits. If this helped you understand how to trade futures on Pionex, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more crypto trading tutorials.